toy is back, and with a toy bow and arrow set no less. You call this an arrow?
No, I call this an arrow.
Now, see here, you can't have something like that at school.
Because when are you get arbitrary school rules? I shouldn't have to have this to make you stop bullying us. So, you're just going to stop doing it right now.
Oh, and who's going to make me? You? Ha! You and what army?
If you want to beat Robbie up, you'll have to go through us.
Yeah, tell him what to do.
Horace, Brenda, take these nuisances out.
And us too, Notley. You'll have to go through us.
It's the end of your lane, you know it. We're done with you picking on us.
This isn't right. My father owns you all. I get what I want because I'm on top. That's the rules.
What is the meaning of this? Why aren't you all at lunch?
Nolly and his school have been bullying and bruising us for the past weeks.
Is this true, Notley?
Of course it's not. And besides, that little Robbie kid brought a weapon to school.
I don't see any weapons. What are you talking about?
See?
Well, you know, it looks obnoxious, but I would hardly call it dangerous.
You can poke your eye out.